joined such a biggest organization and जो बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं लोगों के लिए, देश के लिए. एंड जो हमारा प्रोग्राम होने वाला है October 2 को, दिस इज़ समथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, आई मस्ट से, बिकॉज हम लोग not just thinking about the people, we are thinking about poor people, we are thinking about their health, and moreover हम लोग देश के लिए सोच रहे हैं. So I'm like little bit excited and curious also to see this, and I must say team is like very strong, very good, very helpful. Yeah, I mean so far my approach was this much only. Yes.
इसके अलावा हमने देखा आपने साउथ में हमने आपकी 2 से 3 फिल्में देखी. आई थिंक 2
आवाज एकदम इको हो रहा है.
फिर से रोल. ओके मिशिका जी, सबसे पहले तो आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन कि आप इस RK-HIV जैसे इनिशिएटिव के साथ में जुड़ी हुई हैं. एक ऐसा इनिशिएटिव जो कि 2 अक्टूबर को बहुत ही बड़ी मात्रा में होने वाला है. आप उसकी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं. क्या फील करती हैं आप और क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
मैं फील तो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हूँ. इनफैक्ट आई एम फीलिंग लाइक सो ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज एट दिस एज nobody thinks about the people, not about the nation, not about people's health, but I have just joined such a big organization like who takes care of people's health, HIV, I mean AIDS, and हम लोग जो अभी प्रोग्राम करने वाले हैं October 2 like गांधी जी बर्थडे, वो बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम है. वी आर delivering 6,000 crores का health insurance, 10 crores, more than 10 crores medicine, like so many doctor, paramedical, volunteers, like across India doctors are coming only for this purpose. It is a big thing for India. It is a big achievement, I can say. And I am a part of this organization. I am like feeling so good and so much I'm feeling blessed that God has given me this opportunity. People have given me this opportunity, especially Dr. Dharmen had found the interest in me, had found the inclination in me towards the people, towards the social activity. And I have just following this organization from last 3 years. And as Dr. Dharmen is our family friend, so he just found me like I should do this work, and even I was so curious about this. So उन्होंने मुझे अप्रोच किया and I was like eager. I was like okay, why not? Because अच्छा काम करने के लिए क्या सोचना? That is what my thought was. And I was as I'm a model also, as I'm an actress also. So before doing a debut, I just thought कि कुछ अच्छा काम करके कुछ अच्छी शुरुआत करते हैं. And just this came in my way, and that's why I'm here. And I love to do social activities. Right now I've joined this organization, but before that also I used to go once in a month to orphanage, to old age home, to serve people, to give them. On my birthday also I did some small charity, but I love to meet old age people, orphanage kids, all these people. I just love to see them, and when somebody visit them, the happiness what you see on their face, it's unbelievable, and that's give me happiness. So I wanted to join some of the organization, but I just found it like it is very genuine, and they really do good work. They think about people, they think about nation, and one is thinking about the nation. That there's nothing bigger than this, that's all. See, मैंने साउथ में 2 मूवी करी है, and plus I won 21st Jan National Award for the best model of the year in 2014. And I am gonna do a movie in Bollywood, debut movie, but at this position I can't disclose the name. That is the thing. And I can just tell you it's a big banner movie. And it's gonna be on floor in the month of November 2016.
Okay. किस तरह की स्टोरी होगी अगर आप हमें बताना चाहें?
It's a romantic action movie, and I am the lead in that.
डेब्यू होना चाहिए?
नहीं, as such I don't have anything in my mind, because this is my passion, and like moreover director and mostly director and the story should think that I am fit for that character, because it is nothing like that. Because whatever quality I see in myself, maybe the other person will not be seeing. He is thinking me to some other level. So it's totally, I would rather say कि it is my choice. I would say that it is director's choice who decides to put me into that particular role, and yeah, at the same time even I should decide, yeah, this role is perfect for me and I can do this. There's nothing like a choice, it is a work. Today I may do this big banner movie, tomorrow I may come across with a small banner also, but it is, I cannot just decide at this moment that I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. It is about a work, and I believe work is worship. That's all, you know.
एंड आगे आने वाले दिनों में हम किस तरह की फिल्में आपको करते हुए देखेंगे? कोई ऐसी चूज है कि हाँ इस तरह की फिल्में मुझे, रोमांटिक, एक्शन, थ्रिलर, ऐसी कोई फिल्में आप?
I would love to do all kind of movie, romantic, action, thriller, you know, all sorts of movie I want to do. I just don't want to stick. I mean, people should not remember me ki that she always does this kind of movie. You know, कुछ versatile मुझे करना है, and which I feel I am fit into that. And also people advise me like, you know, you're very versatile. So I would love to do different kind of character, different kind of movie with a different kind of directors, producers.
चलिए बॉलीवुड की अगर हम बात करें, क्योंकि आपने बॉलीवुड में आप कदम रखा हुआ, तो वो ऐसे कौन कौन से एक्टर हैं जो आपके काफ़ी फेवरेट हैं या आप उनके साथ में काम करने की इच्छा रखती हैं?
Well, like I want to work with Akshay Kumar, I want to work with Hrithik Roshan. Yeah, these two are my favorite, and I would love to work with them.
Okay, and female?
Female, you mean to say whom I like, whom my favorite?
Like,
I like Kareena Kapoor, I like Madhuri Dixit. Yes, I guess these two are my favorite, and as on date I like Deepika also.
Okay.
Yeah.
ओके, तो जाते जाते व्यूअर्स को अपने कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि?
See, just one message as on date, like I've just joined RKHIV AIDS. It's the biggest organization and we are doing really very good work. So I would love to invite you personally to join this, to take advantage of this opportunity. You know, this is for the nation, this is for the people, and when the nation is good, everybody is proud of India. So I just want everybody should be proud to be an Indian, because हम लोग ये सारा काम देश के लिए कर रहे हैं. So that's all my request to you all. Thank you.
क्योंकि आपने साउथ में भी फिल्म की है और अब हम बॉलीवुड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी आप काम करने जा रहे हैं, तो कितना डिफरेंट मानती है दोनों फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, या आपके अनुसार आपको चैलेंजिंग या कंफर्टेबल कहाँ पर ज़्यादा फील हुआ? कुछ अगर बताना चाहें आप तो?
सी कंफर्टेबल तो मुझे साउथ में भी था और यहाँ पे भी, लाइक सी इट इज़, आई जस्ट कांट से कि they were good or they were bad. It was, our overall experience was good. People were cooperative over there also, and here I'm also finding people are so cooperative. I mean, they give me lots and lots of information. They are like very helpful. So I just can't differentiate in South, because at the end of the day we all are, you know, human being, and everybody has their own mindset, own thoughts, and I did not find much difference in that. People are professional, they think about their story, they think about their character, and then they decide. It is not just, you know, they just don't go on the favors, they just don't go on the who's there, who's not there. They think what is good for the project.
Okay, thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.